Hi, this is a quick video on our Protimeter Technicians Kit, our part number BLD5905. This is a hard carry case kit with 2 instruments and some accessories. Let's have a quick look inside. So looking inside, we can see that we have our Survey Master and our Hygromaster 2. There's a hammer electrode, some deep wall probes, a heavy duty moisture extension probe, and some spare pins for the hammer electrode. Up in the top of the case here, you'll see the full instructions, calibration charts for wood, and all the information you need to operate the products. The Survey Master is a dual function, that's a pin and non-invasive moisture meter, extremely popular in multiple industries, including the flood damage restoration industry. The Hygromaster 2 is a brand new instrument for us. This follows the lines of the MMS2 in terms of its design and operation. It's a color screen, easy to operate and understand, thermal hygrometer with a laser pointer and non-contact surface infrared thermometer for detecting condensation. So there are videos already online about these 2 products in details, and you can check those out on our YouTube channel. Also included in the kit are the Protimeter hammer electrode. This is a heavy duty hammer electrode that allows you to make measurements at different depths in hardwoods, and some 4 spare pins that come with the kit here. And we do sell the spare pins in packs of 10. They just screw into the end, and in fact there's a wrench built into the handle here, so you unscrew the handle and use the wrench to remove and replace the needles. Here are 5-inch long insulated probes. They plug into the Survey Master. These allow you to look for moisture inside the wall cavities, insulation for instance. And this is our heavy duty pin moisture probe that also fits in the Survey Master. And this probe here has 2 pins under the cap here and allows you just to get into awkward and hard to reach areas. So that's the Protimeter Technicians Kit. It's all-in-one kit with a compartment for all your components. Very powerful set of instruments and accessories to help you with your flood damage restoration job or your building survey job.